Today we're talking about the most precious members of our tribe, the babies and the kiddos. Because when the world goes full chaos mode, from natural disasters to civil unrest, your children can't be an afterthought. This episode, it's about how to pack, prep, and protect your little ones from newborns to teenagers, like the warrior mama or guardian auntie you are. Survival starts in the stroller. Infants ages 0 to 2. Babies don't care about the apocalypse, they just want to be fed and held. But we gotta think ahead for them. Essentials to pack: cloth diapers, reusable towels, blankets, and wipes. Baby carrier or sling, so your hands stay free. Clothes and shoes for all seasons that are a few sizes too big. A baby hood or infant gas mask. A pacifier to help keep them quiet. A thermometer. Electrolytes. An ice/hot pack to help regulate their temperature and to help break fevers. Formula and extra food. Teething toy to help with pain. Infant fever reducer and other medications that can help put them to sleep or maintain their immune system. A tracker, bell, or alarm to alert you if someone is trying to steal your child. Consider soundproofing a cart or stroller with egg cartons, acoustic absorbing foams, and natural and synthetic fibers. Please be advised that the temperature and oxygen will need to be regulated to ensure the safety of the baby. Pro tip: use a discreet, earth-toned colored stroller and diaper bag that doesn't scream diaper duty. We're talking stealth mom vibes, nothing pink with teddy bears. Toddlers, 2 to 5 years old. They're mobile, curious, and loud. Your job? Keep them safe, quiet, and close. Bug-out bag must-haves in addition to the items needed for infants include kid leash or harness, judge me later. Whistle, bell or alarm, and ID badge. Calming toys, fidget toys, crayons and coloring books. Sippy cups to help keep them quiet. Toddler gas mask, candy to help with keeping them quiet. And food mazes to help keep them busy and quiet. Behavior drill, play games such as the quiet game, hide and seek, and tag to help train them. Children, 6 to 12 years old, mini preppers in training. What goes in their pack? A map that shows them where to go if they get lost. Walkie-talkie, weapons, workbooks and puzzles. A whistle and alarm/tracker. Games that don't need internet. And rape-proof underwear. Teach them how to ID edible plants, clover, dandelion, honeysuckle. What to do if they get separated. And how to scream, run, or defend themselves. Teens, 13 to 18 years old, are emotional firecrackers that need independence and an outlet to be themselves. Don't get it twisted. A teen that is going through emotional issues can bring down a group just as fast as a baby crying. Their pack should have full-size survival kit that resembles yours, knife, fire starter, map, compass, feminine hygiene, etc. Offline music options, a creative outlet, some form of entertainment. Trust me, they may be older, but they are moody and unpredictable. They should know everything that you know and be able to manage on their own if need be. Family-wide survival tips, monthly family drills, make it fun, like survival Saturdays. Create a secret safe word system for real danger alerts. Practice blackouts, sheltering in place, and silent nights. Listen, your kids deserve better than panic and guesswork. This isn't about raising scared little people. It's about raising strong, smart, adaptable ones. Because the world might not get easier, but our children can get tougher. And when SHTF, they won't just survive. They'll thrive because their mama, auntie, or godmama had the vision to prepare. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment your commitment to start training your babies to be fierce survivors. And as always, stay brilliant, stay nurturing, and stay wise. Love you, sis.